Here for you today, I have a Pioneer hard disk DVD recorder. This is a relatively old one. It's a DVR 420H. I guess the H is signifying the hard disk. So it's got quite a nice design to it. Little kind of label there saying hard disk. I wonder if that lights up. There seems to be some buttons here for the hard disk or DVD, and there's a standby button as well. Read, write compatible. Various buttons along here. Obviously for the DVD tray, you've got an open and close. So really you've got the very basics that you need if you haven't got the remote control to hand and you wanted to start it up. What we've got on the back, let's have a look. I did plug it in but I've not powered it up yet. This is the back. Quite a slimline model, so I wonder if it gets hot, if there's a chance of it overheating. Doesn't seem to have any ventilation, this one, at all. The only ventilation is blowing air out. So that's, yeah, quite interesting. So this is a 2004 model, so it's 20 years old. Oh, it has got a very nice digital out there, so that's quite handy. You could still use something like this today as a standard CD player, and you could run it into a modern DAC. No problem there. Not that you probably would, given that it is a little bit on the power hungry side. And look at this, it says made in UK. I can't remember the last time I saw anything, well, made in the UK, assembled in the UK, along these lines. So that's quite interesting, isn't it? Quality item then, shouldn't it? It is powered on, but it didn't do anything. So I don't know if you've now got to wake it up. That display's not too bad actually, I've seen worse. I'm having more luck with this one than a light on that I looked at a little earlier. Fan started. I should be able to select different source on here. Oh, and we have a screen. It says AV PAL. Okay, let's go to, well, we're in disc. We can't go to menus here, so let's just go play. BBC 4.
We've got all the ingredients for a good story now on BBC 4. A dark tragedy, a feisty heroine, and the world's most famous recipe book, The Secret Life of Mrs. Beeton.
I'm just going through the skipping at the moment to see what there is. Oh, there's not very much on here at all, I don't think. Oh no, that plus is me doing the channel. Okay, let's leave it like that again and just play. Yeah, okay, we know that, but we can't skip past that, unfortunately, without a remote. It's got a resume mode as well, that's quite nice, isn't it? Did anyone leave me a gift? No, but look at that, for a drive that's 20 years old, the bout's alright. That's pretty good, isn't it? So I have an old school remote, this one. I think this is just for a DVD recorder, possibly, rather than a hard disk one, but oh no, it is actually. I'm talking rubbish. Look, HDD DVD. So this should, yeah, it does work. So what do we got on this then? Got some nice sort of editing features. It looks like we've only got this very short clip. So not very much information in there at all. So you can play it, obviously. Oh, it is 1 hour 35. Oh, there is more in here. Okay, so this is how you go about finding it.
I'm not up for this. Tom Cruise, just take comfort knowing you never had a choice. This is the Academy Award winner, Jamie Foxx. You just met him once and you kept him like
Collateral, isn't it?
You know, I kill people after I get to know.
And that one is 5 hours. Try playing it and just keep jumping. Let's go back to the navigator. Someone's had this on a skybox, haven't they? That's just someone's output from a skybox. Okay, so that one's only a couple of minutes. I think someone's just mucking about on here. So really nothing of any interest, which is good. Let's go to DVD now and see if it can play one. I'm quite impressed about this display. It's lasted as well as it has. The thing with these displays is they do deteriorate pretty badly on quite a few models, but you can still read that one. Maybe it's okay. We get a load of adverts now, don't we?
Hello?
Wanna have
Time it took you.
Go to menu. Yeah. Menu. Play. So what's quite nice is knowing that the DVD drive works for playback anyway. This is a DVD minus. That hasn't been closed off, so it should load it. And it has. Excellent. Okay, now let's go to Disc Navigator. Okay, it's saying it can't play. That's okay. What we want to do is record, go home menu, and this is quite a common menu system they use on a lot of these. So let's go HDD to DVD. Okay, and it's going to want to know what. Okay, so that's.
I'm not up for this.
So that was the preview.
I'm not up for this.
I'm certainly not up for this. Oh, here we go. Confirm. Why do they use abbreviated words like that? I'm not even looking at this, but it says conf list to confirm copy list and set the record mode for copying. Okay. Yes, please. HDD, please load a recordable disc. What's wrong with the one I've put in?